additional path.
Thank you, A.
Additional hobby in his path na he's producing now. Sager Studios. Oh my God, ang ganda. You need to do a logo.
Mukha mo. Yung daliri mo! Yung daliri mo yung logo!
Guys, teka lang. Sa dami nangyari sa teaser, yung thumb ko talaga yung pinagsin niyo. Ang ganda ng location, ang ganda ng setup, ang ganda ng... Michael's face was there, pero thumb ko yung inano nyo.
Diba? And diba, we know it's all... Everybody knew it was AZ's thumb.
Guys, you know, next time, let's do prosthetics.
First, may nag-comment ako, it's giving Jericho Rosales and Christina Hermoso. Christina Hermoso, yo!
Stop it.
This is so cool.
Oh my God, it's so fun.
Grabe.
Thank you guys. Please keep watching kasi kami din papanoorin pa rin namin. I'm gonna watch it again when I get home.
That's what I was gonna say. I'm gonna watch this later then. Nakakatuwa lang. I'm just so thankful that you guys are here supporting sa live stream. You supported ever since Friday. Natutuwa ako sa comments yung sabi nyo, Michael, pinag-intay mo kami, tapos yung pala, Sunday pa pala yung release. Well, anyways, today is a day. And more to come talaga. We hope to create more for you guys. And it's really a passion project, not just for me, but for everyone. It's a way to showcase everyone's talents. And director namin, DOP, si Bench, directly Ate Portia, even the poster makers, Justin and Jexy, and even si AZ, we're all just aspirants to be great one day. And kumbaga, this is really our way of just showing you what we are dedicated to. And it's our craft. And we want to give back then because yung Mix Z supporters have been very, very supportive.
Oh my God,
Sa lahat ng events ko, sa lahat ng events ni AZ, sa lahat ng events
They were
namin.
there sa Pangasinan
Last night. Grabe.
Yeah.
Thank you because of you guys, you really inspired us to make something like this, and thank you for the support always. We hope that we made you somewhat happy, and sana napangiti namin kayo ngayon.
Yes, and of course the greatest things, it wouldn't be happening if it wasn't for Michael. As in, his brain is crazy.
Paano yung titigan?
Michael's brain is crazy, guys. So all glory and more blessings to Michael. As in, this is
Glory.
all, this is all him, and God. Oh my God, God bless you, Mike.
Thank
You're so
you,
good at
AZ.
everything.
Oh, so sweet.
Aw, give us more, please.
More pa ba?
Oh, sige, kailan next taping natin? Na-pressure na.
That's our din, parang our Christmas gift na to you guys. I hope you enjoy it. Sana
Yes.
masunan. Feliz! Grabe naming roses.
Oh my God.
With 500 roses. Feliz, thank you.
Thank you. Aw, thank you.
Grabe naman yan. Ang daming
Enjoyed
support.
it so much. Thank you, Michael. Yes! Make it trend, guys. Salamat, Michael. That's all because of him, guys. I did nothing. It's all him. I asked him, what can I do to help? He's like, no na!
Yes, just be there and act.
Yeah.
Because you're such a good actress. Yeah! Grabe yung mata acting ni
I'm
AZ.
still-
Kinikilig ako.
Still learning, guys. And it was a good experience to work with one of the next leading man
Sus!
of GMA!
Well, nandito si Jers. Hi, Jers.
Hi, Ate Jers!
Uy, kami with 1 million likes. Thank
Oh
you,
my
guys.
God, thank you!
Thank
Hi,
you,
Ate
thank you.
Jers! Nanood ka na ba, Ate Jers?
$31.9. Grabe ang bilis.
Oh my God.
We're almost at
Woo!
32.
Let's make it 100K by this end of the week, guys.
Come on. Grabe yung end of the week.
End of the week. Give it Christmas gift. Oh my God, di ba every 100
Pag 100K may
subscribers-
plaque.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
Oh my God, that's the goal.
Makikita niyo yan sa bahay ni Michael. He's gonna
And
make-
that'll be, you'll unbox that with me if we get 100K. Ah! Guys, panoorin nyo na to, please. Kailangan ko bumawi. Para may pamasko na ako.
Grabe, guys. As in, I can see the stress Michael had. He's been doing everything, talking to them, to the editing, and then he's very hands-on. Last night, he slept so late kasi he's been like watching them talaga do everything, and then asking for revisions and just having his own inputs in every second na nasa video na yun. Kaya,
Titigan. Eh? Dapat ba? Live. Oh, see guys, hindi na yun acting.
BBS. Oh my God. What the? Ay,
Oh!
nagbasa lang ako ng comment. Sabi niya kasi.
Reveal ang reaction. Ran, panoorin mo na to, bro! Si River pinanood na niya, just
Yeah.
like the sunsets. Wow.
Like the sunset. Yes.
Sunset yun!
Sunset's yorn. Aww.
It's so cute. BTS pics, yes! We'll be posting them
Soon.
on GMA.
Okay.
Thank you guys.
Thank you guys.
At si September pala, that's AZ.
Hey,
She's
guys.
named after my dog. Bark mo na, bark. Arf, arf.
This is my talent. I'm gonna do it.
Shih Tzu si September.
Oh my God.
Hope
Oh
to
my
work with you
gosh.
soon.
We hope that this
Yeah.
would be more.
Did you guys like it ba? Okay
Oh my
ba?
God, let me check.
Pasado ba sa inyo?
Saan ba pwede tumingin ng comment?
Super pasado. Sure ba?
Oh,
Please post this on your Instagram or whatever.
tag us, guys.
Tag us
Oh
and
my
I
God,
will
we're
make sure to repost it. I
Oh my
appreciate
God, oh
it,
my God,
guys.
oh my God, oh my God. Wait, oh.
Sa Twitter ka na.
Let's check what they're saying. That's what they like to, take clips.
Sige, go. Wait.
Where? Oh my.
Oh, ang ganda mo dyan. Grabe, as in, ang ganda mo. Oh, we're trending!
Wait.
Wow, 13,000 posts.
Wait, hindi naglo-load. Mixy.
Grabe!
Ayan. Oh
Thank
my
you
God.
for making us trend, guys.
Oh my God. Wow.
Ang ganda mo dyan. As in. Basahin mo yun.
Look.
Na parang wala sa script. Totoo,
Guys,
actually,
marami
most of the lines was really ad-lib from
Yeah.
my end, from her end, and then together, parang,
Parang,
nag-aasaran lang talaga
Oo.
kami.
We were just playing around lang talaga sa taping. So fun. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda ng quality. Thank you!
You guys liked it? Okay ba?
Aww. Ang amats tonight ay Mixzy.
Oh, thank you guys.
Aww.
Thank you for nag-trend tayo, umabot pa sa news. We didn't expect it, honestly. As in, for fun lang talaga to for me. Growing up, I just really love storytelling and I really like video editing and stuff like that. So now that I'm an actor, I really wanted to try and mix those two worlds together. So really, a passion project lang of mine. And I appreciate all the kind comments. Thank you so much, guys. Oh, cute!
Oh, that's cute. Oh, what's that? Who is he? Huh? Guys, grabe. Alam mo, legit, may scene yun yung sinabi ni Michael na feeling cute. Bigla siyang gumanon. Natawa talaga ako. As in, hindi ko napigilan. Natawa talaga ako. Kasi biglang gumanon si Michael feeling cute.
Titigan. Ba't ayaw makipagtitig? Pakinggan sa mic. Guys, sorry kanina umiyak ako kanina eh. Kaya medyo mapula yung mata
yeah.
ko. Movie po sana. Let's manifest it, who knows?
Praying for it.
Oh, sa mga gusto mag-co-prod. Kasi kailangan ko na
Oh my God, you're almost 32K.
Oh, nga, 32. Grabe.
How many views na?
4,000 na.
Oh my God!
In only in 39 minutes.
Almost
Grabe.
500 comments.
Wow, you guys are crazy. You guys, your support is
Wild.
really amazing. We're at
Oh my
1.3 million. Gawin naman natin 2 million. Grabe yung mata ko. Pakitaan natin si
Pagkat
AZ.
na yan si Michael, buong araw.
Guys, 6 a.m. kasi ako natulog kanina. Thank you, guys. Abangan nyo si AZ sa Hotel 88. Papakitaan niya siya, ano yan? She's gonna show us her talents talaga. I'm so proud of her. Let's all give her a round of applause. Go, AZ! And then, of course, yung mga fellow housemates namin.
Yeah, kasama ko Dr.
Hotel
River,
88! Let's all watch, guys, next year. At
Yeah.
least, panoorin nyo din sa akin, Born to Shine, next year. Kahit mag-isa lang ako na housemate. Joke lang.
But, abangan. Malapit na ako
Tita Bing! Tita Bing, napanood niyo po ba? Pasada po ba yung kagandahan ng anak po ninyo? Tita Bing. Yes!
Yes, ayan.
Nag-reply si Tita. Ang cute. I hope you liked it, Tita.
Aw, thank you guys.
Congratulations. Thank you. Thanks for the roses.
Aw,
Grabe, 1.4 na.
thank you. Oh, ang dami nila, 3.2.
Wow.
Grabe, thank you guys.
Asver Fanatics. Guys, ang galing gumiling ni River, no? Eh?
Diba? 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 Diba?
Yung tulak. Saan tulak? Titigan, titigan. Natayo.
You see this?
Stop!
You see this?
Baka ma-judo na ako. Sabi nila.
Oh,
Uy, 32,000 na. Thank you, guys.
oh my God, 32 subscribers. Thank you guys. Subscribe pa kayo kay Michael. Please, 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 please. And we're gonna make more. Ako talaga nag-promise mo. Pero account niya.
Thank you. Si AZ naman magpa-vlog next. In Korea. Wow.
Korea? Yung next episode namin sa Korea.
Oo, sige. Bigyan nyo kami ng budget.
Oh my gosh.
Comment, guys, on my YouTube video. If you were to watch a part 2, if you have any suggestions, you guys want to see anybody in it, comment na kayo down below. And baka, who knows, it'll be possible. So, we will see. Ayan, ang
Yeah.
favorite thumb ko. Sana.
Aw, thank you guys. And thank you, Mike. Aw,
Thank you, guys.
smile of...
Stress. I think we'll have it now for our live stream for
Yes.
tonight. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for watching. Super late ako kanina, but I still appreciate na pinanood niyo pa rin po. If you haven't already, please watch it on my YouTube channel. Michael Sager lang on YouTube. It's called Opposites Almost Attract.
Yes,
Out
guys.
now. Thank you, guys. We love you all.
I love you guys.
Thumbs up muna, easy. O, titigan na lang. Yeah. Bye-bye!
Good night, guys.
Good night, good night, good night. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Love you guys.